So in this lecture we are going to talk about classification of hormone. We can classify hormone in various ways. First classification, we can make it by chemical nature. In chemical nature, hormone may be steroid hormone like cortisol, aldosterone, may be peptide hormone like growth hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, insulin, glucagon, etc. and other type. In other type, we can see amino acid derivative hormone like epinephrine or iodothyroid hormone, iodine containing hormone like thyroxine. So this is the chemical nature classification of hormone. Another classification is on the location of its receptor, based on the location of its receptor, means where the receptors are present. It is two types. One is receptor is present in the plasma membrane and receptor is present in intracellular location. So the plasma membrane presenting receptors are hormone which receptors are on the plasma membrane are adrenocorticotropic hormone, insulin, growth hormone, prolactin. We can say that like all peptide and amino acid derivative hormones receptor are is on the plasma membrane, and all steroid hormone and iodothyroid hormones receptor are in intracellular receptor. So we can classify this into two types. And another classification on the basis of its action, where it act. We can know general hormone which acts distance from its origin, and another hormone is local hormone which acts where it origin. So endothelin, somatostatins, those are local hormone, and other hormones are generally general hormone. And more recently we can classify hormones into the basis of water soluble or lipid soluble. So lipid soluble hormones are in the group 1 and water soluble hormones are in the group 2. Group 2 hormones are further classified into group A1, into group 2A, group 2B, group 2C and group 2D according to the chemical messengers activated by the hormone. We all know that hormone don't act directly, it goes to the cell and there is another secondary messenger. This hormone activates the secondary messenger. So in this classification we are going to talk about the activation of secondary messenger. So in group 2A hormone, it activates cyclic adenosine monophosphate. In group 2B hormone, it activates cyclic GMP, means guanosine monophosphate. In group 2C hormone, it activates calcium 2 plus or DAG IP3 pathway, and group 2D hormone, it activates via the intrinsic tyrosine kinase activity. Like insulin and growth hormone are the group 2D hormone. So this is the classification of hormones.